Right, well, we've had a massive flood last night in Holbox Island in Mexico. I saved a couple of, well, a frog and a toad. Not a couple of frogs like I was going to say. It is a frog and a toad. The frog's waiting to come out. Can't keep them in here any longer. The floods went down a lot. It's not completely gone, but it's a lot lower than it was, and they should be able to find refuge somewhere. They can go in this banana tree. Or is it coconut tree? Either way.
Palm tree.
Palm tree, yeah. But yeah, here we go. Right, I'm gonna let these little guys go now. See where they come out. Go on, little guys. Go on. Yeah, it was all too crazy last night for them. They were struggling, so I thought I'll grab them and cool. There you go, the toad's out. Oh, look at that. Now the frog's got to come out. The frog's nearly out. There we go. I want him to go the other way. There we go. Where did he go? Oh, he's on the
water.
That's right, he's there. Yeah, they went different ways.
So small.
Thing is, he's coming this way a bit. Not such a good idea.
Maybe home is there.
Yeah, well, he was found down that way. I just don't want him getting stood on. The toad, though, is just clinging on here. Yeah. Well, I hope they're going to be okay. He's just got to climb. They've just got to. Oh, see, after a storm, all the bugs and things are struggling, you know. Poor little guy. I don't know if he's supposed to be in water, that guy. A bit like the weevil things you get.
Oh, it's not there.
What? He might be an underwater one though sometimes. The way he's moving is like he is, but I'm not sure where he is now. I'm sure he could get up on a leaf if he wanted to. I think he does. It looks like one of those water boatmen you get in England, but I'm not sure. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, and the frog's gone off, yeah? Yeah, you can only do so much for these little guys. But they've had refuge for the night anyway, so yeah, they had somewhere for the night to see out the storm. And they should be able to hide away now. It's very weird this, because it was so flooded we couldn't even come out late last night because it was really deep. But it has all went down a little bit. Not as bad as it was, so we're just venturing out to see the situation basically. But yeah, there could be crocodiles, sharks, anything in this, because it all come from the sea. And there's the lagoon too over there, and it all overflowed, so there could be any number of creatures lurking really. Although I assume they've found somewhere to go now. Right, babe, let's have a look outside the gate. Why? Yeah. No good in the apartment. Huh? Yeah, we can't stay in the apartment forever. We need to see what's happening and get some supplies. Everything's closed. That's not good, is it? Well, it's went down a lot. So there you go, that's your update. It's better. We can walk.
Well, watch how here it's safe.
Yeah. It was so deep, wasn't it? quite interested to see if there's any creatures around. Because it's after a big storm like that, animals can go astray. You know? Do it. They said. Why? What? We got a. What, we're moving apartment?
Yeah.
We're moving apartment.
Downstairs.
Oh. What if the storm happens again? Yeah. Well, we moved to a higher room to get away from the storm, but there's chances it could get bad again from what we've been hearing. The forecast and things. But did they say anything about electricity? No electricity. Yeah, no signs of electricity coming back. We're completely out, so we can't charge our phones or do anything. Right, my love. Oh, there we go. Ow! Lots of twigs there. Oh, there we go, Holbox Island. Yeah, we're gonna have to venture in it. Well, if we stay to the side is best. Careful of the power line, yeah. Alright. Alright. Gosh, yeah. Take that a minute. Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. Right.
Oh, flooded
photos. Yeah, you got some good ones there. I think I'll try and get the actual bit behind you in it. Yeah, it should be good. Alright. De nada. Gracias. Alright. Oh, so yeah. Just got to venture through and hope for the best now. It's crazy, isn't it, mate? You right there? Remember, he said it gets deep in certain areas, like he could drop down to his bollocks now if you ain't careful. Because parts of the road go deep, you know. I think he said keep to the side, didn't he? But he said be careful. That other guy. In the middle is deep, yeah. Of course. There you go, that's the after effects of a storm. Lots of crap everywhere. It's quite a crazy experience, isn't it, really? Yeah.
Like here, I think, but
Yeah.
it is worse because you, like, if everything's flooded, well, you're dead because it's an island. You don't have anything, like, anywhere to go.
Yeah, you've been in proper hurricanes and earthquakes, haven't you?
Yes.
Yeah, she's experienced it all proper scary, and this was
It's worse.
tip
than
of the
this.
iceberg, this, but it's still, for me, it's been mental. But you found it bad, didn't you, too? Because
Yeah, it's bad.
it is bad on an island. It's not
You think
a
that
good
really
place.
hurricane in this island? Oh my God, they're dead.
Yeah, a proper hurricane here.
And they got.
That's true, yeah. I've never thought of that. Cancun gets really bad hurricane sometimes, where you've got to move if you live there. But this is not far away, and it's an island, you know. But yeah, apparently nothing's open, so that's even worse news. That shop looks like it might be open though, doesn't it? Maybe.
Oh yeah.
So we can get something. Well, I guess not, but there might be something. while we're out, we might as well get something. More chocolate. I think we need more chocolate in a situation like this. Because, yeah.
Usually it's all cash.
Well, Mexico.
Here in Holbox.
Oh, and Holbox. Yeah, there's a lot of cash in Mexico, but this island particularly. It's a very kind of small sort of island. But yeah, pretty crazy. Right, it looks like it's a bit deep here. We'll come over here. True. Oh, they've actually cut the electricity.
Watch out.
Yeah.
Watch out there.
Yeah, because you get electric shocks and things.
Yeah, in the hurricane here, they cut the electricity and the water.
Yeah, I guess that
You
makes sense.
You have to take showers with rainwater.
Yeah. There you go. I'm hoping the street dogs survive this because it was a big flood. Huh?
Normal houses are full.
Yeah. I'm sure a lot of houses are destroyed. Damn. It's not good. Crazy, isn't it, my love? You alright? Carefully, this is a bit deeper here. A little bit deeper.
There is another.
Nah. That's not open. Yeah, all the shops are closed apparently, so that's great. Just when we need them. Don't think we're going to eat today then, because everything's going to be
Yeah,
closed.
that's why in the hurricane, you
Yeah.
have to pack all your stuff, like food.
So look, I'm nearly down to my knees now. We can't cross there. We can't cross there. It gets deep, doesn't it? Right, there's something there. Step up there. It's
My shoe.
This is really dreaded. Look.
You have to pack all your food, like tuna, like things in cans, you know, like this.
Yeah. With big storms like this, it's you got to be very, very prepared. You alright? I wonder what all the street dogs did during this flood, you know? 'Cause it was so deep in the sea. Careful here, 'cause you don't know what you're standing on. Oh, this is grim. So we've basically been through a disaster, haven't we, really? It's not a... This isn't normal in Holbox. You do get floods from rain, I think, but this was from the sea. This was a really unexpected thing. Yeah, well, yeah. I guess the birds could probably see it through, but it was very windy. It's the dogs and all the land mammals. You get tapirs in Holbox, believe it or not. Crazy. Can't believe you get tapirs here. Tapirs, yeah, nothing's open, is it? Is that open? Should be open. Tapirs, you get a jaguar, monkeys, all sorts on this island. So, snakes, lots of snakes and lizards. The lizards were holding on for their life last night, you know. They were really holding on for their life. It was so windy, they were just holding on, the geckos onto the leaves. Yeah, it's been a bit crazy, you know. But yeah, I just wonder how all those mammals survive, you know, the land mammals, with this, when it's really deep like it was. Yeah, I've got all stones and stuff in my Crocs.
I don't know.
Ow.
What do you think,
Huh?
Matthew?
Huh?
Towards here or going
Trying to remember what this road was like. Yeah, but I hope we can walk around it safely.
is too deep. You wanna help you? I don't know how it's in the
Yeah, no, we won't walk through it. It looks deep. Huh? What, walk down another street or
Yeah, see?
what, up there?
Yeah. Because there is one like this. One side right.
So we're trying to get to the downtown, yeah, just to see. Well, where is it we're heading then? I thought that's where we're heading. Huh? Oh yeah, well, that have to be the downtown. There's no other places, is there? Yeah, they would be. Or wellies. We get wellies in England. Do you know what wellies are? They're like big shoes things that go up to your knees. It's right, Willow? Careful. Is it a step, is it? We're walking on the edge of something here. Be very careful. Ah, there's a wobbly thing here, I remember. That's wobbly, I think. That's stone. So just stay tight, alright? Right. Ugh. So you don't know where the edge stops here, look. Very dodgy. This is deep. This is where the truck almost went in when it wasn't even flooded at that point, but the taxi almost sunk.
Yeah.
We're okay on this sidewalk, yeah. Just don't walk over too much. Yeah. Yeah, this was a long video, but this gave you a bit of an insight on the situation. So there you go. This is Holbox 2024 currently, right now. Don't know when I'll be able to upload this video because there's no electric, no Wi-Fi, no anything. So yeah, we're just going to keep going basically and see what's going on. Hope for the best. Nothing. No signs of anything going on really. No food, no nothing. So there we go. Adios from Holbox, Mexico. Not the vacation of dreams, this one. I don't think. But there you go. I'm not even on a vacation. I'm living here currently, but it's, we're on a little vacation because the wife's got some time off, so it was supposed to be a nice holiday. Stress-free holiday, you know? Instead of stress-free, it was stressful. Right, my love. Big steps here. You alright? Oh, there we go. Bread. Got Pam. Perfecto. Does that mean open? I don't know what Alberto is. It is open. Might as well. Might have no option. Which one's nicest? Are these nice? Or hola, señor.
Ese tiene chocolate, ¿verdad?
Sí.
¿Me da dos de este?
Sí.
¿Este qué trae?
Mantequilla.
This is butter and this is chocolate.
Chocolate. We could get a few if you want. There might be nothing else.
Dos de este y uno de mantequilla.
There we go.
¿Cuánto le debo?
Serían 27.
25.
7. 7. 20.
Yeah. 20.
¿Sabes cómo que ahora va a haber electricidad?
20 something pesos. 26, I think.
Creo que para mañana ya esté menos.
25.
Tarde.
No estuvo a ver mañana.
Sí, tarde.
Pero los taxis sí entran.
No taxis.
Muchos veo que caminando se están yendo ahorita. Pero no sé si hay salidas. Porque está alta la marea.
O sea, los cancelan también.
Sí, desde ayer se cancelaron a las 4 de la tarde.
No. Bueno, gracias.
Gracias,
So
amiga.
yesterday they
Bye.
canceled
Adios.
all the
Ah,
yesterday they canceled all the trips to go to Chiquila in the boat.
Really?
From yesterday.
wow.
They
It was
don't
bad
have,
yesterday,
so,
though.
and I said tomorrow will be good, and he said no, this is like long way to travel.
So what are we going to do? We can't even leave this island.
No.
We're due to leave tomorrow. This is a taxi here, which are usually driving around.
Yeah, and
But
they say the taxi is not working today.
the taxis aren't working either. Yeah, it's too deep, isn't it? There you go. That's our update, and it's not a good one. Hopefully we'll see this trip through and get out of here. I think this will be our last trip to Holbox.
Here can be alligators or crocodiles. You don't know which animal come out.
I can't imagine they're hunting though right now. They might be, but I'd imagine that.
They have to walk in the edge.
Yeah, we could literally be walking with anything. Not great, is it? Yeah, there is an edge. We'll just walk on the edge.
Yeah, because there is deep water.
Yeah, just walk slowly. Just be careful of crocodiles. Oh, I felt something in my foot then. Anytime I mention crocodiles, I end up feeling something next to my feet. This really is like that movie, isn't it? Careful, babe. What is it? What is it? What? There's a step, is there? It's alright, there's sidewalk now, I think. Oh shit, yeah, there's a drop. This is bad.
You have to try to back the car.
So that was a crocodile then floating. It's a twig. Here we go. Let's hope
Everyone
for the
doing
best.
like us.
Yeah, we're all having a struggle here. Not great. She's found a good way. If there's an opening, which there isn't. So everything's a standstill now then. We're stranded on the island.
Then
We don't even
to
have a
go
hotel
there.
booked.
I
What,
don't know.
today?
I don't know. Anything is open.
Well, yeah, there's no point staying there, but we got nowhere to go. We have to book somewhere else.
Are we gonna back to Chiquila?
Yeah, we need to get a boat to Chiquila. Someone will probably take us there, someone with a boat, if it's okay weather. Moving back, let's go, gonna get through. So that's it. Adios for real this time. We've got to figure out a lot of shit right now. Pretty bad situation. So there we go.
I hope one taxi's work.
Would be nice, but wishful thinking. Too deep for taxis, isn't it? See you later. Wish us luck once again.
Watch out, people.